We are Hubdrive. Our vision is to empower people and organizations in HR management.
I'll jump in and talk to you a little bit about some of the related topics regarding content, marketing, trainings, keeping partner certifications up, and those sorts of things. So as we get started, first off, I think it's apparent, and I hope it's apparent, and I want to make it, very, very clear that, we truly value the partner network, and all of you guys represent that. Every single partner that we have, whether they be alliance partner, software partner, registered reseller, whatever level they choose, we put that on our website. We also link your website in case a customer wants to learn more about you or your services, or if they just prefer to reach out to you guys directly. And this is just a couple of examples, right? I didn't want to leave anybody out, but this, if you go to our website and you go to the partners tab at the top of it, you'll be able to scroll down and see the partners by level. Of course, we put it alphabetical order just to be fair. So if you're starting up a company, put an A, you'll be first, right? And obviously, we absolutely appreciate the fact that most partners also return the favor. And when it comes to this, we kind of have two options that we want to offer everybody. And one of them is either to share our product information, much like what BI team does, right? So if you look at that one shot that BI team has, any of those red words underneath links back to our website and provides information for the customer or potential customer. So this is, really showing that we work together, right? And then the other option is provide our company information, much like Quantique or Cloud 2020 does. And like I said before, this is simply an example of a couple, and I certainly don't want to leave anybody out. But it would be really, really awesome if everybody could either add our product info or our company info to their website. Not to mention it could just be a little bit confusing if a prospect comes to our website and then they go by default by clicking on the link to your website, and then for some reason they really don't find any information about Hubdrive, or they don't find any information about the product. So it just could be confusing, right? And I think this shows that we're working together if we're both kind of linked. Yeah. And then the other thing that I want to talk about, and I've pretty much preached this in every single partner webinar down the road here, is campaigns. We've really done some cool and successful campaigns throughout this particular FY. And again, this is just a small sample. The fact is we're here to work together, right? And so I personally, me, myself, and I, and Ian, and his marketing manager, Katie, and Wendy over there, we did a webinar series, working together, just kind of explaining our solution, how we work together, all of those things. And it was really, really successful. It was, also good because they were able to reuse that content because it was recorded, break it down into snippets, put it on social media, so it was good for additional awareness. BI team has done a very similar series, which worked out really, really well. And then Cosmo, just as an example, they created some surveys, they did white papers, really to generate new business. So for all the partners out there that have worked with us on campaigns, I just want to say a heartfelt thank you. Super successful, and it really helped, get some new business over the line. And, for the partners that maybe didn't have a chance or didn't have the opportunity or capacity to do campaigns that much this year, I'd challenge you to take advantage of it for the next coming fiscal year. Again, we're all here to do business together and generate additional revenue, right? Same topic with social media, right? I mean, the biggest thing that we can do is share that we're working with each other. Maybe it does help get that one customer that we're working with, or potential customer that we're working with, over the line. And it's a great way to generate awareness, right? We always try or attempt, nothing's perfect, to share, like, comment on anything that you guys post. So we would ask, please help us us do the exact same thing. Whenever we win a deal together with a partner, we certainly want to call that out because, not only for our potential customer base to see, hey, wow, these guys are really working together, they're adding a bunch of customers, we want to, be part of that adventure as well. But it also helps again with that awareness generation. Feel free to follow us on LinkedIn, and this isn't a campaign to get more LinkedIn subscribers or YouTube subscribers, but it's just about building an awareness throughout the community. Yeah. And let us know if you guys are present on social media. We're happy to follow you or like, and again, any comments. We will be sending out content packages for websites as well as marketing material over the next few weeks. There'll be things like logos. There'll be a couple of pitch decks, those types of things that you can use for marketing material. Also, feel free to go to either of our websites, both the product website and our company website, and use any information that you see there, screenshots, links, whatever it is that you want to use for any type of marketing campaigns or what have you. Absolutely happy to let you use it. It is probably a good idea to just double check with your partner manager in case there's any requirements concerning licensing of photos that we use, or anything that maybe we have purchased that aren't carried forward to the next partner or whatever it may be. We've also, and literally this is for the first time, I think, published a training calendar for fiscal year 2022. Both the German and English language trainings are available. So the training schedule also includes our sales boot camps that we'll be holding on a routine basis. You can find it at hubdrive.com in the partner hub. Just scroll down to the bottom, and on the left-hand side, you'll see a link to the actual training. And then as you look through, you'll see the different months that it's provided. If it shows multiple dates, then that's going to be an online session only. If it shows just 3 dates, when I say multiple, I mean like 6, 7, 8 of them. If it's only 3 dates for that first HR certification training, then that's going to be an on-site, and that usually coincides with the sales boot camp. As we know, like I said, the new FY is almost here. So Julia, myself, the rest of the team that works with partners will be reaching out if there's any discussions or topics that we have to have about partnership levels, or whether we're going to continue to have a managed partner scenario, meaning Julia or myself being the one-on-one provider for you. Like I mentioned, the training calendar is available if you know that you have some certifications that might need to be refreshed or updated. And, if you have any questions about content that I mentioned or training itself, then feel free to reach out to Julia or myself with those questions.